Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a grayed out iPhone flashlight. So first, open Control Center and check the flashlight button. And if it's grayed out or doesn't respond, then close any apps that might be using the camera. The flashlight can be unavailable when certain camera functions are active. Next, close the camera app and try the flashlight again. And if that doesn't work, then restart your iPhone. You can also check whether your iPhone is very hot. In some situations, iOS can temporarily disable the flash and other features until the device cools down. Then let your iPhone return to a normal temperature and then test the flashlight again. And if neither the flashlight nor camera flash works, then there could be a hardware problem. In that case, Apple support or an authorized service provider can help diagnose it. So those are the main fixes for a grayed out iPhone flashlight. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.